Hello everyone, welcome back to CAPNEST, an ISO certified 9001 to 2015 institution. I'm Arshia. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to insert and format time in Excel, and this is the table I'm using here. And it's important to know that Excel works with and save time data in special way. And here I want to insert a time value, not in a number, currency or any other type of data. So for that one, we need to set the right formatting for cells which are contain time information. So first step is to format cells correctly. So let's begin. In this table, I want to see how to log working hours or times when we started and finishing work. So first select empty cells which will contain time data. Then right click or go to format cells. In number tab we need to select time category. Here we need to select the language. I am selecting here English United States. Then in type I am selecting here suitable format is the short AM to PM format and hit enter. Here if I click 7 in Excel will change into the date and time format. As you can see up here in the formula bar, and to display correct time as 7 o'clock in the morning, you need to type 7 and insert colon, then number of minutes, and then hit enter. Then next come to end work. In the same way we need to log time when we finish work, example 5 PM in the afternoon, 5 colon the number of minutes and then hit enter. So while showing 5 AM we need to take here 16 column number of minutes, then hit enter. So it's showing 4 PM. Start work 7 AM to end work 4 PM. So at last we need to find out here number of hours work. So here equals to select end work. We need to select here end work minus start work. Then you need to give enter. This is our hours work. But it's showing 9 AM. This one I need to change on number of hours. So select this one. Right click, go to format cells. In format cell, instead of this one we need to select hours, then give OK. Then select bottom corner and drag it down. So here is showing some error. This is because the time when the employee started and finished their work in the midnight. The working time started at 5 PM to ending at 6 AM. So here I need to use logical functions. So start with the equal to sign. If open the bracket, then select logical test. In the sense we need to select here start work greater than end work. Then insert comma. Again we need to select here end work. Plus add 1 here, close the bracket. So for what purpose I am using here 1. So if the condition is true, we will tell that the work was finished in the next day by clicking on the cell end work time and add 1 here. Then hit enter. And if it is false, we will let Excel know that the work time is in the same day because the end work time is not greater than the short work time. So hours worked on the same day as well as working time that midnight, close bracket. Then if this is not true, the value in end work is from the same day and Excel will use the value as it is. And now just subtract start work time by using minus sign. Then hit enter. This is our final result. This is our number of work hour. So this is the easiest method to insert format time in Excel. So this all for today. In upcoming class I'll showing you some more interesting topic in Excel. Thank you. Bye bye.